Morning, students. So we are learning about sets, and yesterday we learned how to write a set in two different forms. One is set builder form and the second is listing form. Okay, so today we are going to start with equal sets. Now the two sets are given here. Okay, set A is a set of all the x such that x is a letter in the word listen. Okay, so let's write about this set. We are going to write it with the help of listing method. So we are going to list down all the elements. Letters of listen. Okay, and now set B is the set of all the y's such that the y is a letter in the word silent. So I'm going to write down all the elements of y. This B, I have S, I, L, E, N and T. Okay. So now if you observe clearly, okay, and properly, then this L is also in the set B, I is also in the set B, S is there in the B, T is there in the B, E and S, N. Okay, so that means all the elements of set A are in the set B, and let's check this S, I, L, E, N and T. So that means all the elements of set B are in the set A. Therefore, we can say A is equal to B. That means these two sets are equal. Okay. Now let's see here. Now A is a set of all the x such that x is equal to 2n, and this value of x will vary from 0 to 10. Okay. Now let's write down all the elements of this set. If n is equal to 1, then our x will be equal to 2 because x is equal to twice of n. If n is equal to 2, x will be equal to 4. If n is equal to 3, x will be equal to 6. If n is equal to 4, x will be equal to 8. If n is equal to 5, x will be equal to 10. And if n is equal to 6, we can keep doing this, but there's this property, there's this condition which says that this x should be less than or equal to 10. So we will have to stop here. Now let's write about the set B. Set B is all the y such that y is an even number and this y is greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 10. So all the even numbers between 1 and 10. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and that's it. Less than equal to. Okay. If it was only less than 10, then we would have written till 8 only. Okay. Now if you observe, all the elements of set A are in set B, therefore we can say A is equal to B. That means that is A and B are equal sets. Okay. Now I am going to take one more example here. Now set A is 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 elements, and in set B there are 4 elements. Okay. So what is happening now? Here all the elements of set A, I am going to write it like this. All the elements of set A are in set B. Okay, but we have 4th element here which is not in the A, but all the elements of set B are not in set A. So therefore A is not equal to B, and that is A and B are not equal sets. I hope you all have understood. We have studied 3 examples today. If you have any difficulty, you can definitely ask me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the Google Meet. Okay? Thank you.